bunny. Ooh, let's see. Oh, this is so cute. Look how cute. Ah. And I also got this hippern, and I want the strawberry one as well, but that. This body one is cute too. So cute. I'm gonna unbox my TXT album now. I don't have one of these yet, so I don't know what comes in here. I got bomb use one. Look at that. Guys, I'm just sitting here relaxing on the bed inside, but I've been like editing for the past maybe 3 or 2 hours. I don't know. I need to pee and then I'm gonna go outside, and then I'm hungry, so I'm probably gonna get some food as well. Yeah, I'm just chilling here, to be honest. I'm not really doing anything. As of right now, I have like 3 vlogs that I filmed that I need to finish editing. Will be released within the next few weeks. So I have like a bunch of stuff waiting for you guys. I look so like, why do I look like that? Also, I'm sick. I'm like coughing and everything. You have to pay for the internet here. It's like 5 pesos for 2 hours.
Down on this side. May maming na oh.
Go on then. I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. Look at my hair. You wanna say hi to my vlog, Alexa? Look at that face. Yeah. Oh, that's you're my my hair. Hey guys, I forgot to film an outro again, as I always do, but by the time you're seeing this, I am back home already. Sorry about the 2-week break from posting. It's because it was like back to school season. I don't have any motivation to edit my videos, but I'll try my best to post every Saturday. I was also meant to post this on Saturday, but I still wasn't finished editing this video. So follow my Instagram and my TikTok, and hopefully I'll see you again on Saturday. Yeah. Bye!